Welcome to the new TOEFL Jamboard tutorial. For doing structure exercises, we will be using Jamboard. As you might have already known, Jamboard is a virtual whiteboard. You probably have already used it in other classes. When you click on the provided link by your professor, a new tab will open. It will take you to this page. The first thing that you will see are the directions. Click on the pen tool to make annotations on the words, using your mouse if you are using a computer, or using your finger if you are using a phone or a tablet. Move between pages by clicking on this icon. Now, you will underline all the subjects using the pen tool and a blue color. Underline with red all the verbs. Use the pen tool to circle the connector. Draw a box around the adjective clause. Decide if sentence is right or wrong. Since I have a subject and a verb for my main clause, since I have a connector and I have a subject and a verb for my adjective clause, the sentence is correct. Now proceed to sentence 2. Let's underline all the subjects again. And all the verbs with red. Circle the connector and draw a box around the adjective clause. Study the sentence and decide if it's right or wrong. This sentence is missing a verb in this part. Therefore, the sentence is incorrect. You can add a sticky note to mark notes for yourself. Move the note and resize it if needed. Do the rest of the exercises. The changes are saved automatically. Only close the Jamboard tab and click the lever. You are done.